important topic, external angle. That topic is external angle. The sum of the measuring of all of external angle of any polygon is 360. Second other word in asked to is angle sum property. In exterior angle sum property in any polygon, suppose will be triangle, the triangle, and this is the exterior angle x, y and z, that is the x plus y plus z is equal to 360. Okay, suppose you have drawn the quadrilaters and the four exterior angle x, y, z and w, it's called the x plus y plus z plus w is equal to 360. Okay, if any polygon, pentagon, octagon, the sum of exterior angle is 360. And second relation, the relation between external angle and number of side of any polygon, exterior angles and number of side. So that external angle is equal to 360 upon number of side. Okay, this is the formula of find the number of side of any polygon. The given the two numbers, external angles and 360 is a constant, and you find the number of side with exchange is number of side upon 360 and each exterior angle. Now start the exercise 4.2. Find the value of x. Find the value of x in the given figure. Given figure is given the triangle and three exterior angle. First is 125 and x and 125. Here use exterior angle property. Exterior, okay, so you write 125 plus x plus 125 is equal to 360, because sum of all exterior angle in any polygon is 360. 125 and 125, that x plus 550, that 5 and 250 is equal to 360, that x is equal to 360 minus 250, that x is equal to 110. So this is the value of x is a 110. Okay, now next question, find the value of x, is a question part of question 1. Part of question 1 is given the diagram. Its first exterior angle is x, 60, and there is a 90, and similarly to there is 90 because linear pair of angle, and 70. Again you write exterior angle property. Exterior angle property means you add the 70 plus x plus 90 plus 60 plus 90 is equal to 360, where the 70 first angle, x second angle, 90 third angle, fourth angle 60, and 90 is a fifth angle. You write x plus 70 plus 90 plus 60 plus 90. Okay, so 0 0 0, and 70 plus 19 is 16 and you write 9918 and 7 and 15. So this is the 8 5 13 and 33. So this is the angle of 33. Okay, the sum of 70 90 is 330, right? Check another time to check. 9 9 18, 180, and 7 and 6, 7 and 6 is 13, 13. So this is 0 and 0, 11, 1 carry, 310. So that's it, 310 is equal to 360. Okay, now x is equal to 360 minus 310 and x is equal to only 50. The value of x is a 50. Now question number 2, find the measuring of each exterior angle of the regular polygon. Now question number 2, find the measure of the each exterior angle of the regular polygon. First is a given the number of side is 9 and second is a given number of side is 15, but it's not given. Okay, so that first is starting the class I will give the relation between exterior angle and number of side. They will use that exterior angle is equal to 360 upon number of side. This is the formula. Okay, they write exterior angle is 360 and number of side is 9. You divide 9 4 is 40. So that is the exterior angle. Value of exterior angle is 40 degree. Okay, similar to question 2, do now exterior angle is equal to 360 upon number of side is 15. Divide to 15. Now 360 upon 15, first will be divided by 3, 3 5 is 15, 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6 and 0, then 5 1 is 1, 5 2 is 10, 10 and 2 4 is 20. So that is the answer is 24 degree is the value of exterior angle of polygon. Is number of side is 15. Here exterior angle of the polygon is 40. The number of side is 9. How many sides of a regular polygon have if a measuring of the exterior angle is 24? Okay, there same relation, but first will be let the number of sides, number of side is n. Okay, and write the exterior angle is equal to 360 upon number of side. Put the value. Exterior angle is 24, 360 and number of side is n. Now 24 upon 1 is equal to 360 upon n. Cross multiplication is 24, n is equal to 360, n is equal to 360 upon 24. Okay, that n is equal to 360 upon 24 and cut by 2 is 12, 2 1 is 2, 180 and 2 is 6 and 2 9 is 18 and 2 3 is 6 and 45 and 3 1 is 3 and 15. It's mean you directly cut and write 15. So this is the number of side. Number of side is n is equal to 15. This means it's mean the number of side is a regular polygon is 15 side of the regular polygon. Then question number 4, how many side does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angle is not given the exterior angle, interior angle? Do you know that suppose a triangle is a minimum side of polygon, 3 side. This is the exterior angle and this is the interior angle. Is given that this angle is given is 165. That exterior angle is find. First you find the exterior angle. So what is the relation between interior and exterior angle? Is a relation, you write relation between interior and exterior angle. This is the relation is interior angle plus exterior angle is 180 because this is the linear pair. Okay, so use this relation and first you find the exterior angle. Okay, so that right exterior angle, you find interior angle of polygon is equal to 180 minus, ये लिख सकते हैं एक्सटीरियर एंगल फाइंड करना है तो ये राइट द एक्सटीरियर एंगल is interior angle, that is the 180 minus 165 because interior angle is 165. Then after minus subtraction 180 minus 165 is 5 and 1 is a 15. It means the exterior angle is a given polygon is 15 degree. Okay, then after this means exterior angle. Now exterior angle is 360 upon number of side. Here let number of side is n. This is the answer. Okay, so write that number of side is equal to 360 upon exterior angle, that 360 upon 180 minus interior angle. Okay, exterior angle is a 180 minus interior angle, so that you 360 upon this, the value of n is 180 minus 165. Okay, then n is equal to 360 minus 15 and the value of n after dividation 3 5 is a 15, 3 2 0, 5 1 is 1 and 5 2 is a 10, 5 4 24. It means the number of side of given polygon, the interior angle is 165, is number of side is 24. The question number 5 is the possible to we have a regular polygon with each exterior angle is 22. That the answer is no, because you write since 22 is not a divisor by 360, because 360 is not divisible by 22. It is the answer is no. And second question, can it be an interior angle is a regular polygon? Why? So you write the answer is no, because in bracket you write because each exterior angle, because each exterior angle is 180 minus 22. 180 minus 22 is 158. Is 158. Yeah, that we write is equal to 158, and 158 and which 188 one is not a divisor by 360. Now next question, in question number 6, it's two question that he asked the what is the minimum interior angle possible for the regular polygon. Minimum interior angle, that is the equilateral triangle being the regular polygon is a three side have a less measure of the interior angle of 60. That is the sum of all angle in triangle is 180. That's exterior angle triangle is 3 angle x plus x is equal to 180 and 3x is equal to 180, that x is equal to 60 degree. Okay, and second question, what is the maximum exterior angle? Maximum exterior angle, the relation between exterior angle or in interior angle is sum of 180. So that maximum exterior, the pen, exterior angle is equal to 180 and minimum angle is 60. या लिख सकते हैं that here is maximum, here is a minimum interior angle. Okay, so that is 180 minus 60 is equal to 120. That is the maximum exterior angle is 120.
Peace.